I'm just a guy that won't die with a pie in a Ferrari with a swerving on the wheels of Maserati. I'll tell you one thing, mama didn't raise no bitch. I'm just a kid that knows I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna be in a level you niggas will never reach. Don't wish, just work before you turn yourself into a witch. 7 days a week, I build my future brick by brick. 2 years later, I'm big, I'm on my hardest trick. I'm no longer called a brick, bitches wanna sit on my dick. No risk, we stick like glue, niggas on fleek. NF is the reason why I'm always motivated. Overseas, that's where my life is situated. Haters can't believe I'm doing this, they think I'm automated. It's okay to make them think my life is complicated. It's RSA, no DNA, it's official black excellence. You don't wanna feature me, otherwise it's our condolence. It is a hearse, no ambulance. I'm a guy, just an ordinary guy. Wanna fly high, don't give a fuck about a limited sky.
Exe Tune, Exe Tune, Exe Tune, Exe Tune, Exe Tune.
I'm sorry.
Whoa, whoa.